When you want to be the best, you have to learn more about lead generation. In running a business, there are many different things to focus on. You have to manage your inventory, market your products, and run the day-to-day operations. Another important task is generating leads so that you can grow your business. For help in doing so, the following tips and tricks can be quite helpful. Know about lead values. Certain leads are likely not a good fit for your current campaign. Qualify each lead to ensure they are worthwhile before spending a lot of time on them. Targeting the correct leads means greater success with each campaign. Set time every week to follow up with potential leads. It usually takes more than one touch point to turn a potential qualified lead into a real hot lead. So after you've made first contact, set time a week or two later to touch base again. It's about frequency here to make this person into a customer. Obviously, when generating leads, you are working according to a budget and cannot pursue every venture. That is why it's important that you do have a set budget and that you are always paying attention to discount opportunities when it comes to promotion. This being said, make sure the money is being spent wisely. Your customer base is going to be loyal to you and help you get new leads. You can accelerate this aspect of lead generation by doing different things. For example, you can start a referral program. Referral programs reward your current customer base for helping you find new customers out there. Generating leads can happen when you talk to your customers. Knowing what drew your customers or what drives them within your niche can be very useful. This can allow you to tailor your lead generation to target that customer niche. This allows you to better separate your leads for each marketing push. If you have kids in school, trade referrals with other parents. For example, if your child is in karate classes, talk to the parents there and ask them what they do for a living. If you can trade referrals for each other, you might just start seeing some leads come in. Now that you have watched this video, you should have a better idea of what is involved in effective lead generation. Even if you have a lot of experience doing so, some of this information may still have been new to you. Give these techniques a try to help out your business. Student loan.